Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Ka Adda. So in this video I am going to explain about the design of the reinforcement for a short axially loaded square column. So we are going to I am going to explain how to solve the complete design procedure for a square column. So how to find the reinforcement. So that we are going to solve today. So let me start. So first see the question here. Design a reinforcement for a short axially loaded square column of size 300 mm by 300 mm to support a load of 750 kilonewton. Use M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel. So here M20 grade concrete is given and Fe415 steel is given. So we need to design a complete reinforcement for this square column. So first write the given data. So I am writing the given data. So what is given? So in the question it is given that the load that is 750 kilonewton. So working load he has given. So working load P is equals to 750 kilonewton and a square column, so that is size of the column. So size of the column is equals to 300 mm by 300 mm. So size of the column is 300 mm by 300 mm and Fe415 steel and M20 grade concrete. So which means FCK is equals to how much? 20 Newton per mm square and Fy is equals to 415 Newton per mm square. So this is what he has given in the question. So this is what given in the question. So we need to design the reinforcement. So we need to design the reinforcement. So we'll see that how to find the reinforcement for this square column. So before going into that, we want to find the gross area. So here the size of the column is given. So we'll find the gross area. So gross area is denoted with AG and which is equal to 300 into 300. So right. So how much? 90,000 mm square. So therefore gross area for this column is 90,000 mm square. So we have got the AG value. So now how to find the area of the concrete? So area of concrete is equals to, which is denoted with AC. So AC is AG minus ASC. So to get the area of the concrete, we need to minus the reinforcement from the total area. So total area minus area of steel will give the area of the concrete. So even we don't know ASC, right? So we'll keep like that. So now for axially loaded short columns, so we have the formula PU is equals to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 Fy ASC. So PU is equals to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 Fy ASC. So this is from page, so directly I am writing here. So this formula from IS 456 page 71. So this is from page 71 of our IS 456 2000. You will be getting this formula. So that formula we have taken from there. and we'll substitute all the values. We'll see. We know PU. So P is given. We need to calculate the PU. So FCK we know. AC we need to calculate. So we know AG, we don't know ASC. So we'll substitute AC is equals to AG minus ASC because 90,000 we already know it. So 0.67 and FI we know 415 and ASC only we need to calculate. So all the values are known values except this ASC, right? So we'll find out this ASC because based on this area of steel required only we can find out the number of bars required and the diameter of the bar. So what is our aim? We need to find the number of bars and the diameter of the bar. We'll substitute that. So PU. So PU is equals to partial safety factor 1.5 into, so load 750. So if you want directly you can do here PU is equals to 1.5 into 750. So which is equals to how much? 1125. So 1125 kilonewton. So that directly you can substitute here, or else you can do like this also. Into 10 cube is 0.4 into FCK how much? 20 into AC is equals to what? AG minus ASC, right? AG is equals to 90,000. 90,000 minus ASC plus 0.67 into FY is 415. 415 into ASC. Into ASC. So if you calculate all this, you will be getting the ASC is equals to 1499.5 mm square. So 1499.5 mm square. So this is the ASC value. So area of steel required. So see here completely. Area of steel required is 1499.5 mm square. So we'll move to the next step. So after finding the ASC, we need to check whether the reinforcement whatever we have calculated is there within the limits. So we have the minimum reinforcement and maximum reinforcement. So minimum reinforcement. So minimum reinforcement. So that is equal to 0.8 percentage of gross area. So that is AG, 0.8 percentage of gross area. So which is equal to 0.8 by 100 into 90,000. So which is equals to how much? 720 mm square. So minimum reinforcement required is 720 mm square. So we'll see the maximum requirement. Maximum reinforcement. So maximum reinforcement is equals to 6% of AG. So 6% of AG. So which is equals to 0.06 into 90,000. How much? 0.06 into 90,000? It is 5,400 mm square. So which means whatever we have calculated the ASC previously. So previously how much we have got? 1499.5 mm square, right? ASC is equals to. So that should be more than this minimum reinforcement required and less than this maximum reinforcement. So this is our ASC is greater than this. So ASC is greater than this, what we have calculated, right? So ASC is greater. So we have got 720 here, and whereas our ASC is 1499.5, and this is greater than our ASC. So which means it is satisfying the consideration. So it is satisfying the considerations. So we can move further now. So now we need to calculate how many number of bars are required and what is the diameter of the bar for the ASC 1499.5. So we'll see now. So assume 22 mm diameter. So you can assume the diameter based on this ASC ma. So you can take 20, 25 like that. So assume 22 mm diameter. So we want now number of bars, right? So number of bars is equals to capital ASC by small ASC. So which means capital ASC is the ASC what we have calculated 1499.5 and small ASC is pi d square by 4. So where d is equals to 22 mm which we have assumed pi d square by 4. So therefore the number of bars we will be getting 3.9, so which is nothing but the 4 numbers. So which is nothing but the 4 numbers. So now ASC provided. So ASC provided. So we have calculated the ASC, how much to be required for our column, that is 1499.5. So we have taken 4 number of bars, 22 mm dia, right? So ASC provided is equals to 4 into pi d square by 4. So which is equals to 1520.5 mm square. So this is the ASC provided. So this is the ASC provided, which means provide 4 bars of 22 mm diameter. So we need to provide 4 bars of 22 mm diameter. So for that ASC provided is 1520.5 mm square, 1520.5 mm square. So now what we have got? We have got the main reinforcement. So for column we have got the longitudinal bars. We need to find out the lateral ties. So that we are going to solve now. How to find the lateral ties. So lateral ties. So for calculating the lateral ties, what we want? We want the diameter of the bar and we want the center to center distance of the bar. So that is called as pitch. So pitch of the ties and the diameter of the ties, right? So to find this lateral ties, as per our codal provisions, diameter of lateral ties should be should not be less than, so it should not be less than the considerations what we are writing now. So the first one is dia by 4. So that is, what is our diameter? 22. So 22 by 4, which is equals to 5.5 mm, right? So second consideration is 6 mm. So it should not be less than this. So hence adopt 6 mm diameter bars. So hence we are adopting the 6 mm diameter lateral ties. So now we have got the diameter of the lateral ties. So what we want next one? Pitch of the ties, right? So pitch of the lateral ties. So pitch of these ties shall be minimum of pitch of the ties shall be minimum of least lateral dimensions of column. So least lateral dimensions of the column. As it is the square column, we have both the values same, 300 mm by 300 mm, right? So if it is 300 mm by 400 mm, you need to take the least lateral dimensions among that. So we have 300 mm by 300 mm, so least lateral dimensions is equals to 300 mm. And second condition, 16 times the dia of longitudinal bar. So of longitudinal bar. So what is the longitudinal bar diameter? It is 22. So 16 into 22, which is given by 352 mm. So which is 352 mm. The third condition is 300 mm. So we need to take list of this. So now provide how much? 300 is there, 352 is 300 is there. So 300 we need to provide. So provide 6 mm lateral ties at 300 mm center to center. So we need to provide the 6 mm lateral ties at 300 mm center to center. So we'll draw the diagram now. What is asked in the question? He asked to design the reinforcement for a short axially loaded square column. So we have designed the reinforcement, main reinforcement. So 12 mm dia, 22 mm dia, 4 number of bars, and we have designed the lateral ties, that is 6 mm diameter with 300 mm center to center, which means we are done with the problem. So we'll draw the diagram for that. So square column. So cover and how many number of bars? 4 number of bars, right? So 4 number of bars. And what is the diameter of it? 4 numbers with 22 dia. And its dimensions is 300 mm by 300 mm. And this lateral ties, so 6 dia at 300 mm center to center. So this is how we need to solve the problem for the design the reinforcement for a short axially loaded square column. So this is what the problem. So we need to solve complete problem, the longitudinal reinforcement, diameter of the lateral ties, pitch of the lateral ties, and after completion of the problems we need to draw the diagram. So that what we have calculated, that will be shown in one diagram itself. So if you want, you can draw the section also. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and please do subscribe, like, share and subscribe to my channel Civil Ka Adda. Thank you.